Everybody says this car's a bit of a tank. It's certainly not easy to drive, but it's not a sports car, it's a Grand Tourer.
This is a 1954 R-Type Continental Bentley. The prototype was actually built in 1952, but this is a 54 car. There are 218 R-Type Continentals built, the vast majority of which had this H.J. Mulliner fastback two-door coupe body styling that's become so evocative of the type.
The car made its racing debut in the 1954 25-lap handicap race supporting the British Grand Prix, driven by Roy Salvadori to second. It then competed in the Mille Miglia that year, Spa, Nürburgring, 1,000 kilometres.
There are classic cars, and there's the Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing. It's the most recognisable car in the world. It's voluptuous, it's fantastic, justly famous as one of the best cars ever made.
We obviously have a unique body number with each of those bodies that is recorded here. The body number that goes onto the body, there is one obviously overt number, and then there is a hidden number as well, because there have been cases in the past of people claiming that a shell is a heritage shell, and we're the only people who can actually determine that.
The Ford GT40 was built expressly to beat Ferrari at the Le Mans 24 Hours. The story goes that Ford was in negotiation to buy Ferrari. Ferrari reneged on the deal, and so Ford vowed to build a Ferrari beater for Le Mans. Hence the GT40, so called because the height of the car in inches was 40 inches from ground to the top of the roof here, top of the windscreen.
The beauty of Range Rovers is that they're the most practical, useful car ever built.
This car has a really long-legged feel as well on the motorway. Sitting there at 70, it's only revving at 3,000 RPM. You really feel like you could drive it all day. I love what they've done with the interior as well. It depends on your wallet, of course. Is it the ultimate Range Rover? I think it is.